Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Kevin.
And today we're going to tell you all about our new product, TimberCast. So what is TimberCast? TimberCast is our brand new casting epoxy. So we currently have two formats. We have our 750 milliliter kit and our 1.5 liter kit. So inside every kit, you're going to get a part A and a part B. So the part A is the resin, part B is the hardener, and you're also going to get color pigments. Same thing goes for our 1.5 liter kit, and we have 6 different color options available. We have our onyx black, our copper, our turquoise, our sonic blue, which is a really deep blue, our ocean blue, which is just a little bit lighter, our white, and of course, if you don't want to use any pigments, you can just not put any in and it'll be crystal clear. And later on, we're also going to be adding a 3 liter kit and a 6 liter kit. So we actually developed our TimberCast over the past year, and Kevin being our resident expert, we've done a ton of projects with casting epoxy, and we really took that time to take all the features that we were looking for to really make one that was easy to use and had really great results. So Kevin, tell us how thick can you pour with our TimberCast?
So that of course depends on temperature. So the thickest that we have poured in at once is 2 inches and we had 12 liters of epoxy, and it was about 25, 26 degrees in the shop. Now, if it was 40 degrees in the shop, what I would have done is I would have poured 1 inch thick, and I would have taken a look at the temperature and monitored it for a while. So what I use to do that is I use one of these laser temperature guns, and you can actually just point it at your river and it'll give you a temperature. So what I found is you want to keep that temperature below 30 to 32 degrees. Once it goes above that, it kind of starts running and it'll ramp up to 90 degrees faster than you can believe. It can actually go from 34 degrees to 90 degrees in about 15 minutes. So you really got to watch out. So if you are pouring your casting in a warmer environment, I highly recommend to just half fill it, let it sit for a bit, check with your temperature gun what it's at, and if it's very safe, well below 30 degrees, you can go and add some more epoxy and then check it again. Or ideally, you do this in an air-conditioned space.
So speaking of the thickness, what else do we need to know? How does the temperature affect, the gel time, the cure time?
Okay, so the warmer it is, of course, the faster that the epoxy will gel. Now, gel is when it sets. Once the epoxy is gelled, it's done its exothermic, or most of its exothermic reaction, and you can pour right back on it without having to worry about that temperature building up from the previous layer. And a lot of people call the test for this is the tape test. So if you touch your epoxy, and I recommend a gloved hand or even a little stick, and you just touch it and it feels like you're touching the back of masking tape, it's well gelled, and you can actually just keep adding epoxy and not have to sand or anything, and it will bind chemically. Now, if it goes beyond that stage, you want to let it completely cure, and you will have to sand it, and you can use Scotch-Brite for the hard to reach areas and some more intricate spots, and you can just use it could be 80 or 120 sandpaper. And when you add more epoxy over it, it will actually fill in all those scratches, and you will never know that you sanded it.
Where can you buy TimberCast? Our product is available across retail locations in Canada and the US. You can check out our website to find the store nearest you, or contact us on our website or by email at info@liveedgetimber.com, or call us by phone at 819-281-8423. Thank you.